What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the BG Bakers. Today we're going to make chocolate covered strawberries, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is wash off your strawberries. You're going to want to do this a few hours before you coat them in chocolate, just so that they have enough time to dry and come to room temperature. Now it's time to make the chocolate. You're going to put half a cup of heavy cream in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes to get it boiling. Then you're going to add 6 ounces of chocolate chips and then just stir that up until it is nice, thick, and melted. Now it's time for the best part. For my toppings, I have some sprinkles and some chocolates. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your strawberries by the leaves and dip them into the chocolate to get it coated on all the sides, and then you're going to scrape down the back just because that's the part that's going to be touching the plate. Then just roll them in your toppings and put them in the refrigerator to set. Now enjoy! Chocolate? I love the chocolate. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all try the strawberries and like them. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and turn on the notifications. Happy Valentine's Day!